YouTube. With that being said, just gonna wrap up that video. What is going on, Trap Pack fam, man? We just walking outside early in the morning. It is like 7 something in the morning. I don't know why I woke up so early and I went to sleep late. That's backwards. But I guess God wanted me to do something, so we up. Walking the dogs, getting my walk in, and yeah. So I guess we can start the morning off right. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Okay, stop, because I know you about to jump in. Stop. You attacking the wrong dude, bro. Get back. God. Hey. You ugly anyway. Sight 9. Look at him. Gremlin. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can tell, we finished up. So now we started putting the glue on and stuff like that. We only did the back because I gotta go get the extension cord for this so we can go through all of them. But once you find the paste for it, it gets real easy with the hot glue gun and stuff like that. But I did a couple like designs and stuff. This is supposed to be a RT sign, so we're gonna see how that come out. I did 300 right here. We're gonna see how that come out because I did them a little bit too small. So, and then also I didn't have enough lights. So that's honestly why like I did small designs, because the designs that I wanted, I have to have like over 1,000 lights, you know, just to go ahead and make it look good, or you know, get the full picture of it. But right now it's going well. We completed the back part with hot glue. Now we're gonna move to the middle and then the front, and then we'll be ready to make our cut. Also, I'm gonna be going outside to test this fitting and stuff like that. So I do have to measure this part from here, from this part all the way down, so that way we can figure out the fitting of it. But other than that, man, it's looking good. You know what I'm saying? I like it. The back gonna be more fuller, I guess. I don't know, but being in here, it's gonna brighten up. It's gonna brighten up, especially when I cut these, because you know, right now they just at the ends. But once I get them to the point where they up on the roof, it's gonna be brighter. So I'm gonna put y'all back on the time lapse once I get this extension cord for the hot glue gun, and then we're gonna go from there.
Alright, y'all, so we finally got it ready for install. As I can tell, we got it all glued down. Then if we go under here, I just gotta clip these, and then we'll be ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow, I was supposed to install it today, but today I had a lot of stuff to do. Well, I didn't have a lot, but it was just time consuming and stuff like that. So today, we're not installing it, but tomorrow we are installing it. So y'all make sure y'all tap in tomorrow and see how that go. But with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and come back tomorrow.